Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at our virtual convention hauls. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at, as mentioned in the opening video, our hauls from the virtual convention of WizKids in the WizKids store. Okay, so I can't remember which specific Heroclix convention was there. I think it was Adepticon, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, being from the Philippines, I cannot participate physically. So virtual purchases and virtual conventions is always a welcome treat for us. And this one is extra special because it contains a unique figure, okay, which will probably get a little bit more traction when rotation happens. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's da-da-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, Beetlejuice. There's the Beetlejuice. Okay, so Beetlejuice Sandworm. So this is limited edition because you are only allowed to buy 2 of this. So we have Heroclix Beetlejuice Sandworm here. Okay, I like the packaging actually. We'll probably look at this in a separate unboxing. And we have a second one. One we'll probably keep for ourselves and the other one will probably sell or trade. Then aside from that, part of the purchase is something like a promo Christmas in July. Okay, although this is an August video or even September video depending on when I release it. But we have here the zombie unicorn figure and the Krampus Christmas figure. Okay, so I already have these 2, but nonetheless they are welcome additions. Okay, so let's just I don't want to open it. Okay, so this one, I think my box got ruined, so I plan to keep this or swap the box. Okay, I tend to be OC that way. Okay, but the star of the show, as we said, is the Beetlejuice Sandworm. Okay, I have a Beetlejuice. Now I have the Sandworm. These are Warner Brothers products, licenses, okay, IPs, and I hope it really continues because we've been getting a lot of Marvels and DC and more Marvels than DC. So it's really good to have new flavors like Warner Brothers. Okay, so again, that's it for the video, short video, and I hope you're having a blast. And yeah, see you in the next virtual convention. Bye bye.